This video is a short introduction to reference management software. When you are working with a major writing assignment and search for literature, reference management software can be very useful for collecting and structuring your references. There are several reference management programs to choose from. EndNote, Zotero and Mendeley are a few examples. The reference management programs have different characteristics, but the main functions are the same. You can use the program to save your references and to organize them. And they also let you insert citations directly into a Word document in the correct format, which is very practical. Moreover, these programs will automatically create a reference list for you. And with a reference management program, your references are saved in the cloud, which means that you will be able to access them at all times from different computers or other devices if you have internet connection. There are also various possibilities to share references with other people, which is a nice function if you are co-writing with a fellow student. I will give you a brief introduction to Zotero to show you the basic functions. Zotero is a free software, and you can download the program from zotero.org. After downloading Zotero, you need to install a Zotero connector for the browser you are using. There are connectors for Chrome, Firefox and Safari, and the connector will automatically recognize the content of a web page, and you will be able to add references to your Zotero collection by a simple click. Here I'm using Zotero for Chrome, and when you have downloaded Zotero, you will notice a small icon at the top right in your browser. And the icon might change its appearance somewhat according to what kind of web page you are on. If you have accessed a particular book or article, a book icon will appear at the top right. In this example, I have looked up a book in the SLU University Library search tool Primo. And when I click on the book icon, the reference will be saved to my Zotero library. Here I have performed a search in Google Scholar, which has rendered me a list of references. And the Zotero icon is now shown as a file. And if I click on the file icon, the list of references become visible and I can choose which ones I want to save. And so I can save down several references at a time. And this is what the Zotero library looks like, and these are the references that I have saved. I also want to show you how to insert references directly into Word while you're writing. A Word plugin will be automatically installed when you download Zotero, enabling you to easily insert your references as you write. When you open the document you're about to work in, you might sometimes need to activate macros. And when you have done that, Zotero will turn up as a separate tab in Word. The first time you insert a reference, you will have to choose which citation style you want the references to be formatted in. And if you're using the Harvard style, you will be able to download the SLU style sheet, which is called Acta Universitatis. And this means that your references will be formatted in the SLU standard for dissertation and thesis. When I wish to insert a reference while writing, I click on Add Citation, and then I can choose my reference. We try one more time. Add Citation. And when it's time to insert the complete literature list, I will use Add Bibliography. And then a list of all the references that I have used will be created. An important thing to keep in mind is that the reference management program will save the information at hand about an article, book or web page. But that information can sometimes be incomplete, and then your reference will not appear in a correct manner in your document. So you still need to take responsibility for knowing how to cite correctly. And sometimes you might have to make changes in the Zotero library to ensure everything ends up right. And this can be done here in your Zotero library to the right. You can, for example, change publication type, or you can change the title or author, or you can add information. However, even if you sometimes need to do a little editing on your own, a reference management program can be very helpful while you're writing an academic text and need to start collecting a large number of references. You will find more information on reference management programs and style sheets on the SLU University Library's webpage. Good luck with your reference management!